Hey guys, what's up? I'm here in the Bora right now, but mainit na. Eh, di pa ako naliligo. Grabe. Lahat silang napakasaya na. Woo! His baby is Stephen, Patricia and Michael, and then the girl, Regine, Miggy. Hi Miggy. Bukalo, Jay. Yeah, we're in Bora right now, so we guys enjoy the party. Woo! Party right now. Check out guys. Woo! Hang out. See, there's a lot of people there. See ya guys. Check out. Bye bye. Nah man.